Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download GTA Vice City save files. So without further waiting, let's get started. As usual, you have to go to the description of this video. Under download link section, you will going to find my website link. Link will be something like this: www.iammrhelper.com/windows/games/rockstar games/Vice City. Link will be quite long. Simply click on it, and after clicking on it you will going to land on this page. Now what you have to do is scroll down a little bit, and as you can see I have provided you a basic knowledge about Grand Theft Auto Vice City that you can read later by clicking on this, but the main focus of this video is to give you the save files. Okay, so under download link you will going to find this website link. Okay, click on it. So as you can see there are few instructions how to use it, but don't worry, I am going to explain it. If you are interested, that you can read it, but I will going to explain in this video. Okay, all these are the save file. Okay, so for a demonstration I am going to download this one. Click on download, and as you can see it is asking me where do you want to save this file. I am going to save this file on my desktop. So here it is. Make sure to scan this file first before using it. I have scanned it already before, so I'm not gonna scan in this video. Now what you have to do is right click on the file. To open this file you need a third-party application, but if you are using Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, then you didn't need to install any third-party applications. Okay, simply what you have to do is click on open with and try to find File Explorer. If you are not getting it, simply click on more apps, and after that you will going to find it. Okay, in my case it is on the first list, so I'm going to select it and click on okay. And if you are interested to know which third-party application do you have to install, then you can install WinRAR, WinZip or 7zip. All these are the good application. You can use any of it to open this file. Now drag this file out of this. Okay, now you can close it. Now where is our save file? Simply click on my computer or this PC, go to C drive, users, your username will be over here. Open it, open my documents, then after that you will going to find the GTA Vice City user files. Open it. Okay, so there are two ways to paste this file inside this folder. First method will be to overwrite the file. As you can see I have already this file in my computer, which is GTA VC sf1.b. If I paste it right over here, it will gonna ask me do you want to replace this file or not. Okay, I am assuming that you are interested to create a new save file. You are interested to add this save file in a new slot. So what you have to do is simply rename this file. Simply right click and click on rename, and as you can see I have SF1, SF2 and SF3, but I don't have SF4, so I am going to rename this file as SF4, which is GTA VC sf4.b. Now I can move it and it won't going to ask me to replace it. Okay, this has been done. Now simply what you have to do is open the game. I hope you are not pasting this file while your game was open. Make sure it was closed. Okay, and that's all you have to do to install a new save file in GTA Vice City. Let me know what do you think about this video. You can share your thought in comment box below. I will really appreciate to read it. And if you want to support me, then you can click on like button to show me a support. Comment below whatever you like to ask me, or if you having any question you can ask me in comment box below. Share this video with your friends and family members, whoever you like to share. It is totally free. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please do visit my website, which is www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.